Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Fanttik Fold V10 Ultra Deluxe vacuum cleaner. So this one comes with a charging stand. Now you don't have to use this charging stand, but I do like that it comes with the wall adapter for the charging stand that we can put it in and charge it. But you can also still charge it with USB-C. So say you're at a place where you don't have your stand, you can still charge it with USB-C right here. That's a super nice feature. Now the wire is permanently attached to it, but let's go plug it into the wall and see how we do. Okay, you're going to want to fold the fold all the way. Press this button right here. Store it like that. This little part, make sure that's closed. You can't have an attachment on it. It's going to slide down this slot right here. It's super easy to charge it. And there you go. You got a display on the front that's going to show you when it's fully charged. And it's held in there really good. I love that dock. That's a very nice charging dock. But again, if I'm somewhere where I don't have my dock and I need to charge it, I can just use USB-C. Super nice. Also, I can put attachments here. So I got a place to store my attachments. I love it. I can even mount this to the wall. I can put it on a table or I can mount it to the wall. There's two spots here where you could mount it on the wall. Now this is super easy to operate. Press this button, that releases the fold. Whenever the dirt and material you pick up, you're just gonna open this up, everything dumps out. Now once in a while you will have to clean this filter. Push this button. No, let's push this button, I'm sorry. And this will rotate off. There's the fan motor. These filters are cleanable. So pull that out. This comes off. This is like a pre-filter. You can wash this. You can even wash this, but you have to make sure and let it dry. It does come with an extra filter. So you could let that dry. Push that in. You can take this, wash this all up also. Just simply snaps in there like that. Now putting this back on can be just a little tricky, but if you line it up and it clicks into place. Yeah, line it up, find that little detent with that. There. Now I can put any angle I want, and this comes out for a crevice tool. Now let's turn it on. I can turn it on, it starts off in low, but if I press this button, I'll go to high. Again, turn it off, very powerful. Now let's just go over some really quick measurements and then we'll see how it vacuums. Sticks out from the wall about 6.5 inches. Overall height when it's on the table is 12.5 inches. And left to right with the attachments is about 7 inches. Let's go over the actual vacuum cleaner. It's not very heavy. I like how it pivots. I find that I do use that quite a bit. Look at these nice attachments I can put on there. They just press on, and I can put this little one on here, a little duster. This one. So overall, overall length, 21 inches. With the crevice tool, about 8 inches. And then there's the actual where the suction happens. And again, store it, do it, and store it. Let's go see how it cleans. Okay, it's easy to operate. You're going to turn it on. We've got two modes of operation. I'm going to turn it on high. Wow, it's really powerful. Built-in crevice tool. And I like all the attachments. Okay, now when you're all done, simply take it to the trash can, open this lever, and all the dirt and debris are going to come out. Again, there is a filter once in a while. You do have to clean the filters, but it is super easy to clean. Take the attachment off. We're going to store it. And again, you can charge it with the dock or USB-C. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.